Hi friends, welcome to Learning English Vocabulary. As we know, English vocabulary is the most important in every exam and job, especially in teaching jobs. In this video, we are learning words with pronunciation. Words are starting with letter A. Let's have a look on the words. The first word is abasement, mean disgrace, humility, tasleil. Next one is aberration, mean welcome or biology. The third one is disorder, kharabi. Next, anticipate, mean estimate or predict, अंदाज़ा लगाना. Next one is abduct, mean carry off someone unlawfully, ले जाना. Abdomen, mean between thorax and pelvis, mean belly, पेट. Abdicate, mean give up or disown, दस्तबरदार होना. Next one is abbreviate, means short form of a word or shorten, मुख्तसर करना. Abate, mean make less or become less, कम होना या करना. Abashed, mean feel ashamed or embarrassed, शर्मिंदा. Abrogate, mean put an end, revoke, ख़त्म करना. Abrupt, mean sudden, immediate, अचानक. Abscess, mean pimple or ulcer, फोड़ा. Absolute, mean real or certain, यकीनी. Absolution means forgiveness or release from guilt, माफ़ी. Antipathy mean permanent dislike, दायमी नफरत. Next is antics, mean carefree behaviour, उबालीपन. Antiquated, mean out of date, old fashioned, पुराना फरसुदा. Antisocial, opposed to the interest of society, समाज से मुख्तलिफ. Aplomb, mean self confidence, खुद एतमादी. I hope you like the words and learn the words very easily, very quickly with meanings, multiple meanings and with pronunciation. Thank you for learning with us. If you like the video, please share it, like it and subscribe the channel by clicking the bell icon button. Good luck. Take care. Take a very good care of you. Goodbye.